Stop using urea. 7 major problems using urea in our agriculture farm. Exploring harmful effects of urea and eco-friendly alternatives. 1. Urea can fly away. If we put urea on top of the soil without burying it, the nutrients in it can turn into gas and float away into the air. This means the plants won't get the nutrients they need, and it's not good for the air we breathe. 2. Water pollution risk. The nutrients in urea can also get washed down into the ground and water if we use too much. This can make the water dirty and cause problems for fish and other water creatures. 3. Bad air stuff. Urea can sometimes create gases that are not good for the air and can make the earth warmer. 4. Soil change. When we use urea, it can make the soil more basic for a while. This can change how well plants can get their nutrients from the soil. 5. One-sided growth. Urea can make plants grow too much in some parts, like leaves, but not enough in other parts, like fruits. So, the plants might not give us as much food as they could. 6. Nutrient loss. Using too much urea can cause plants to lose some of their nutritional value. This means the food we get from these plants might not have all the good things our bodies need. 7. Long-term soil changes. Using a lot of urea over many years can change the way the soil works. It might make the soil less able to hold water, which is bad during droughts, or it might make the soil too salty. This can affect the health of plants and the land in the long run. Organic alternatives. 1. Organic alternative. Instead of urea, we can use organic fertilizers like compost or animal manure. These things come from nature and help plants grow without many of the problems that urea causes. They also make the soil better over time. 2. Fish meal. Fish meal is a natural fertilizer made from fish remains. It's rich in nutrients and can be a great alternative to urea. 3. Seaweed. Seaweed is another natural fertilizer that comes from the ocean. It's packed with nutrients and minerals that can help plants grow strong and healthy. 4. Nitrogen-fixing plants. Another great option is to plant special plants that can take nitrogen from the air and put it into the soil. These plants help other plants grow without needing as much added fertilizer. It's like having natural soil helpers. Nature impact. Using these natural methods, like organic options, fish meal, seaweed, and nitrogen-fixing plants, we can help plants grow well, keep our air and water clean, have healthier food, and take care of the environment. If you find this information useful, please share it with fellow farmers. Sharing knowledge can benefit the farming community. Thank Krishi Bandhu.